In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete Weather City on your Apple Watch. Press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, open the Weather app. In here, from Weather app, tap on this menu at the top left. And here you find all of your added weather series. All you have to need to delete any weather city from this list, just slide to the left side. Tap on this cross icon and the weather city will be deleted from your weather app. To add a new weather city, tap on this plus icon, London, search for the city just like this, select the exact location and we can see the weather city successfully added. Thanks for watching.